Hey there, YouTubers and DIYers. Today I'm going to show you how I opened and fixed my rear tailgate that would not open on my GMC Yukon right after this. Hey there, YouTubers, DIYers, and returning subscribers. Welcome to the channel BukesWorld. Today I'm going to deal with an issue that most Yukon owners deal with, anywhere from the 2007 to 2014 models. The rear tailgate for some reason will not open. So what I'm going to do today is illustrate how I actually got my tailgate open and how I fixed the problem. So let's get started here. In order to open my rear access door, I had to climb through the vehicle, look for a small marking on the rear tailgate in a panel, and then drill a hole. All right, now you want to make sure that you drill a hole big enough that you can actually get a flathead screwdriver. A small flathead screwdriver is what I suggest. You can use any tool, but the flathead screwdriver works best. Once you drilled your hole, insert your screwdriver. I don't know why GMC made it so hard to find the mechanism, the release mechanism, but they did. So my suggestion is to tilt your flathead screwdriver toward the left and fish around until you actually hit this mechanism right here. This will release the hatch and allow you to open your rear tailgate, where now you can remove the panel. To start the isolation process, you're going to find this plug. This plug connects the actuator to the tailgate release button. This side of the plug connects directly to the release button. All right, you'll find that on the inside of your handle. That's the button you press to unlock the door. The other side, here we'll find the side that goes to the actuator. To test the actuator, we're going to use the same flathead screwdriver and go across the two prongs to create the short to activate the actuator. Okay, you heard that? That was the actuator. See that? That's the actuator. Now that we know that the actuator is functioning properly, it leads me to believe the culprit is this side of the plug. It's either going to be in that plug head, the wires, or in the button that's in this tailgate release handle. I tried putting a short on that or going across it with the meter. I didn't see any lights, but this is probably your problem. To remove the handle, you'll access the bolts. See through here, 1, 2, and then 3, 4. You'll get through here. I already removed those. Took the whole piece off, and it's right here. Actually, before anything, I'm going to take this off and just see if it's anything in here that I can actually fix before having to replace the whole mechanism. So I found out what the problem is. I took the whole liftgate assembly apart with the push button that goes in there. Actually, I took all of this apart. This is the part you push on that lets your actuator release. So I took the whole thing apart. I took it, got down to the nitty-gritty. Here we go. Broken wire. And that's the broken positive side. All right, that's sending power to the chip, to the board. All right, to the actuator board, or whatever you want to call this. So it might be simple, it might be cheap, it might be easy. I haven't looked it up to see what the price is, but for right now, I'm going to grab me some solder and I'm gonna reconnect this and fix this problem. All right, now I soldered the piece back together. I sealed everything up. Let's give it a test. Look at that. Broken wire. Let's try it now. Look at that. Whipping. Close it back. Whooping. I don't know what that whooping was about, but anyway, it's fixed. Okay, so I removed the whole latch with these 3 screws right here. And what I did was I went to that, the unlocking mechanism, and I just jerry-rigged something for the meantime. I put a screw and a tie wrap around it, and I'm gonna send it back through the hole. This way, in case I ever need it for an emergency, this is the way I have it set up. It's not really locked down, but let's see how it works. There it is. All right, so this is how I'm gonna be able to get in and out from now on, until I can replace, what did I do with it? This whole piece. Now I have to do my window switch. It might be the same problem. The liftgate window. And as always, if this video has helped you, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to be notified of new content as I post it.